This could be related to a reflection issue or another object. Please try to eliminate any cause of reflection, and if necessary, use the appropriate remote control to shorten the detection range. Here's how to use the remote. You have the range button. If you long press on the range button in front of the sensor, once it starts blinking, you may now shorten or increase the range with the plus button or the minus button. After you've reached the setting you want, leave it alone and the lights will stop blinking.